Hello Hyderabad, welcome to Chef Inam Steakhouse. Look at this beautiful New Yorker steak. We're gonna cook this in a pan in that melted butter, garlic flavored butter. उसमें you can see I've added some cherry tomatoes, plus a basil. We're gonna add some fresh rosemary. ये और ऊपर से I've added some very flavorful bone marrow and some herb liquid. You can see there's a nice crust on the steak. That is basically to make sure it retains all its flavorful juices. And once we cut this steak into slices with that subtle crust, you're gonna just love this. Look at this slices of steak. So while I was cutting this steak into slices, I could feel at the end thoda sa that crusty part, and that's what made this steak retain all its flavorful juices. Abhi this last piece, I've just squeezed out those flavorful juices, the meaty juices. अभी इसको हम प्लेट में जमाएंगे, and what we're gonna do, इसके ऊपर से we're gonna add some a special sauce which I made with rosemary butter, and you can see those caramelized cherry tomatoes. So what it does is it has a very unique and very distinct flavor. थोड़ा सा sour and थोड़ा सा sweet. The subtle sweetness kind of just adds up a lot of flavor to the steak. उसके बाद we're gonna drizzle this cheese, everybody. Look at this, how gorgeous this looks. Man, just love this. And take a bite of the steak with that stringy cheese. I'm gonna just fall in love with this Hyderabad. And then finally, I'm gonna just put a sign. Always the New Yorker, this version of New Yorker steak has to be eaten medium rare. You know where to hop in Hyderabad, you know, so use the taste buds right in microwave. Chef in house. Look at this beauty only at Chef in Arms. Let's meet.